Traveling has never been easier thanks to the advancements in technology. From staying connected to keeping your devices charged, the right gadgets can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey.
Today we're diving into the world of travel tech, exploring must-have gadgets that every modern traveler should consider packing. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional adventurer, these tools will enhance your travel experience.
Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide,
where shopping knows no borders. Let's get started.
In today's connected world, keeping your devices charged while on the go is essential, especially during long flights or trips to remote locations. A reliable power bank ensures you won't run out of battery when you need it most, whether you're navigating a new city or staying productive on the road. When choosing a power bank, look for one with a high capacity and multiple ports to keep all your devices charged simultaneously. Our top pick is the Anker power bank with 24,000 milliampere hours of power, 140 watts of power, which offers a massive capacity perfect for charging multiple devices at once. It's powerful enough to handle laptops, smartphones, and tablets, making it ideal for long trips and emergencies. Now, for those who prefer a more compact option, the Energizer Universal Portable Battery, the 10,000 milliampere house of power, 15 watts of power, is a great choice. It's lightweight, features fast charging via its 15 watts USB-C port, and includes an LCD display to monitor battery status. If style and portability are your priorities, the Belkin Boostcharge Power Bank 10,000 milliampere house of power strikes a perfect balance. Its sleek design, combined with compatibility for both USB-A and USB-C devices, makes it a traveler's best friend.
While keeping your devices charged is crucial, ensuring a peaceful and distraction-free environment is equally important during your travels. Noise-cancelling headphones are a game-changer for anyone looking to enjoy a peaceful moment or focus on a task without distractions. These headphones not only block out unwanted noise, but also deliver premium sound quality, making them a must-have for modern travelers. For those who value reliability and sound quality, the Sony Noise-cancelling wide-on-ear headphones are an excellent choice. Known for their industry-leading performance, these headphones are perfect for in-flight use or train travel, and their foldable design makes them easy to store. If you prefer wireless options, the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless adaptive noise-cancelling over-the-ear headphones are a standout. They feature adaptive noise cancellation, which adjusts to your surroundings and offer premium sound quality for long travel sessions. For a lightweight and stylish option, the Raycon, the everyday over-ear active noise-cancelling wireless Bluetooth headphones are a great pick. They combine comfort, active noise cancellation, and long battery life, making them ideal for everyday use.
In addition to maintaining peace and quiet, staying connected and powered up during international travel can be a challenge due to varying outlet types and voltages. A universal travel adapter is an essential tool for any traveler, allowing you to charge your devices no matter where you are in the world. Compact and versatile, these adapters are designed to work in multiple countries, making them a must-pack item for international trips. The Insignia all-in-one travel adapter with 2 USB ports is a top choice, compatible with outlets in over 150 countries and featuring 2 USB ports for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Another excellent option is the Samsonite converter and adapter plug kit, which includes a voltage converter and various plug types, making it perfect for travelers visiting countries with different power systems. Both adapters provide peace of mind, ensuring you stay connected wherever your journey takes you.
Ensuring your devices are charged and you can stay connected is vital, but so is the convenience and security of your belongings. Gone are the days of basic suitcases. Today's smart luggage combines convenience, security, and high-tech features to enhance your travel experience. From built-in GPS tracking to USB charging ports, these suitcases are designed to make your journey smoother and more organized. The Samsonite Freeform 31 expandable spinner suitcase is a standout option, featuring a built-in USB port for charging devices, expandable storage, and 360-degree spinner wheels for easy mobility. For shorter trips, the American Tourister Cascade HH20 expandable spinner suitcase is a great choice, offering durable construction and a variety of color options. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional option, the Delsey Paris Air Armour hardside spinner luggage combines a sleek, hard-shell design with a 360-degree spinner system, making it both durable and easy to handle.
Finally, to ensure you remain connected to the digital world no matter where you travel, a portable Wi-Fi hotspot is indispensable. Staying connected while traveling is more important than ever, especially when visiting areas with unreliable cellular networks. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot allows you to create your own private internet network, ensuring you always have access to reliable internet wherever you go. The simple mobile Moxee 4G no-contract mobile hotspot is a great option for those who need flexibility, offering 4G connectivity without a contract. For faster speeds and broader coverage, the Solis 5G mobile Wi-Fi hotspot supports both local and international 5G networks and comes with a lifetime data plan, making it ideal for tech-savvy travelers. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology, the Netgear Nighthawk M6 5G Wi-Fi 6 hotspot delivers blazing fast 5G speeds and Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, ensuring seamless connectivity for all your devices. So there you have it, an in-depth look at some of the must-have travel tech gadgets for modern travelers. From portable power banks to smart luggage, these tools can make your journey smoother, more convenient, and more enjoyable.
Each gadget offers a unique benefit, whether it's staying connected, keeping your devices charged, or simply making your travels more comfortable. Have you tried any of these gadgets? What was your experience like? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tap the notification bell for more tech tips and travel guides.
Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders.